If you want your children to do well as possible after your separation or divorce, you should know some key facts that are necessary to create an effective parenting plan for your kids. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham region and the GTA. Social research has shown that your children will flourish or do well after your separation or divorce when you have these factors in your particular situation. 1. Children of separated parents do best in both the short term and the long term when they feel loved and cared for by both parents. 2. Children generally do better when both parents have stable and meaningful involvement in their children's lives. 3. The strength of a parent's relationship to a child is affected more by parental commitment, warmth, and the ability to meet the child's needs than it is by time spent with the child. 4. Each parent has different and valuable contributions to make to their children's development. 5. Children should have both structured routine time, such as bathing and doing homework, with each parent, as well as unstructured time, such as playing in the park. 6. Parents should help their children maintain positive existing relationships, routines, and activities. 7. Children find security in personal possessions, like a favorite stuffed animal. Children should be permitted to bring personal possessions back and forth between homes, regardless of which parent bought them. 8. Parenting plans will need to be adjusted over time as the needs and circumstances of parents and children change. Children are harmed by exposure to conflict between their parents. This is one of the most consistent findings in research on post-separation parenting. High conflict between parents increases children's anxiety and negatively impacts child development. Family violence is a particular risk factor, but parents should also avoid arguments in the presence of their children, such as when dropping off or picking up their children. Here are some important ways and approaches that should form the foundation of your parenting plan. 1. Parents should not make their children feel that they have to choose between the parents. Children should not be made to feel guilty about having a good time with the other parent. 2. Each parent should strive to have a successful relationship with the other parent. Each parent should support the child's relationship with the other parent. 4. A parent should not make derogatory comments about the other parent in the presence of the child or when a child may overhear them. Relatives and friends should also be discouraged from making such comments if the child can hear them. 5. Children should not be expected to communicate messages between parents, in particular about financial matters or issues about which the parents disagree. 6. Parents should exchange the children without arguing and by acknowledging each other in a polite and courteous way. 7. A parent should allow their children to attend important family celebrations and events with the other parent. 9. Young children need consistent sleep and feeding schedules in both homes. Transitions by their nature can be difficult for a child. Many children struggle when they are required to interrupt an activity or to leave a parent. This difficulty can be further magnified if the child is also exposed to conflict between the parents. It is not unusual for a child to appear distressed or show sadness or anxiety at transition times. It often helps for the parent with care before an exchange to take the child to the other parent rather than have the other parent pick up the child, as this signals parental support for the transition and lessens the child's sense of being interrupted and taken away from a parent. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, there's a few ways to contact our office. You can leave a message on my Facebook Law Office page, that's O'Malley Family Law. Visit my website at www.canadiandivorcelegaladvice.com or call me directly 905-434-8837. We would be happy to speak to you. Oh, by the way, did you know you can protect your family law rights and get essential information on settling your family law issues with your former spouse with the daily, indispensable family law advice and tips on my free Facebook group? Go to Facebook and search Durham Region Separation and Divorce Legal Support Group in the top search bar. You'll find the group and join. Thanks for watching this video. Make it a fantastic week. I'll talk to you soon, and take care.